Chase Ink Business Unlimited Asa Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you want a simple, no-fuss business card that earns rewards on every purchase, the Chase Ink Business Unlimited card is a strong contender. Most people get this wrong by assuming unlimited cards are weak on rewards, but this one delivers 5% cash back on every purchase, with no categories to track. The card has no annual fee, which makes it ideal for startups or small businesses that want to earn rewards without upfront costs. There's also a generous sign-up bonus, often worth several $100s after meeting the minimum spending requirement. For many businesses, this bonus alone can cover everyday expenses for months. Additional perks include purchase protection, extended warranty coverage, and fraud monitoring. Most people underestimate how much these protections can save if expensive equipment or office electronics are damaged or stolen. Online tools make it easy to track employee spending and integrate expenses with accounting software. In conclusion, the Chase Ink Business Unlimited Asa card is perfect for businesses seeking straightforward rewards, no annual fee, and strong purchase protections. It may lack the category bonuses of other cards, but its simplicity and consistent cashback make it a reliable choice for businesses of any size.